Hey there, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Great to see you again. Today's episode is dedicated to a cereal that I love so much. It's dedicated to Golden Grahams cereal. This video is actually a collaboration with a great person who I know here on YouTube named Ian Good. And I must tell you, he's one of the nicest blokes I've ever met in my life. So kind. And it's a pleasure to do a video with him. When you're done watching this video, you're going to have to skedaddle over to his channel and see what he's got cooking. Well, what I'm making today with these Golden Grahams is I'm making Golden Grahams ice cream bars. I'm starting off with 3 3/4 cups of Golden Grahams that I'm going to be sticking in the food processor. But did you see this? The Golden Grahams box, it says the retro recipe is back. The recipe they were using in the 80s, containing all that honey, is back in the box. Did you know that Golden Grahams actually came out in the 70s? 1975, Golden Grahams came to be. Let's process these, okay? I'm gonna mix in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And to this, I mix in a 1/2 cup of melted butter. I'm pouring and pressing this into a glass baking dish to form my bottom crust. Bake this in an oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes, and then you're gonna let it cool for 30 minutes. You caught me sniffing my grams. Well, yes, there's honey back in the grams. I guess they kind of disappeared, and at one point they moved. They were honey originally, then they decided to change it to a brown sugar type gram, and then they brought honey back. I'm so happy. Back in the day, they used to have a mascot. His name was Honey the Honey Drop. Isn't that cute? I think so. Grab some chocolate ice cream, soften it, and we're gonna pour it on top of that Golden Graham crust. I'm taking another 1.5 cups of Golden Grahams and pouring it on top of that ice cream. I'll be covering this and then putting it in the freezer for a few hours. For the next layer, you need to grab a container of whipped topping and pour that into a bowl. And to that, I'll be adding an entire container of marshmallow cream and mixing it all up. Pour that right on top and spread it out. Now all it needs is a few more Golden Grahams sprinkled on the top. I'm going to shove this in the freezer for another 2 hours and it'll be ready to taste. Me and Ian decided to do Golden Grahams as a collaboration because we love Golden Grahams so much. What I really loved as a kid when it came to cereal was looking in the box for the prize. What do we got today? Oh my God. Oh. It's done. Wowee. It looks very good, and I'm so excited to try it. Golden Graham ice cream bar. Let's get a bit of everything in this bite. Ice cream, Golden Graham crust, marshmallow topping. So yes, it is totally like a s'mores with that chocolate ice cream and the marshmallow top and the graham cracker. Here we go. Yeah. Great! Love that crunch. It's definitely Golden Grahams. And this is definitely a celebration of Golden Grahams. The marshmallow and the chocolate and the Golden Grahams? Yes! You gotta try it. I give this a 9 out of 10. It's good. Now, you need to go see what my friend Ian Good is doing. You know what? Ian is like my family. He's my
Brother, check out his link in my description.
Thanks for watching Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. What is an English teacher's favorite cereal? Synonym grams.